Early in the movie, we see Norwegian crewmen use a high-powered rifle and lethal grenades. Throughout the film, characters can be seen using handguns, shotguns, TNT, and flamethrowers. How much of that is true to what you experienced in Antarctica?
Zero. That is one of the things that highly upsets me because Antarctica is a nature reserve. It is protected since 1956 under World United Nations organizations. In those days, the Soviet Union still existed, and even the Soviet Union was adhering to all these aspects of non-military aspects and non-nuclear aspects to Antarctica as a nature reserve. Antarctica is a pristine environment, and just the idea that a very isolated community can have firearms laying all over the place, bombs laying all over the place, is extremely upsetting and abhorrent to my idea of what Antarctica is about.
After the Norwegian assailant accidentally grazed the leg of one of the American characters, Gary uses a revolver to smash a small window in order to return fire. There was so little time in between the Norwegian firing and Gary smashing the window that he must have had the gun on hand or close by. Any comment?
Yes, throughout the movie you can see him carrying it on his hip. Why? Who's invading them? Who's going to attack them? Who is he protecting himself and the team from? There's nobody around them. The nearest base is the Norwegians, and they had to fly there by helicopter, which is ridiculous in any case. As I said, the story and everything, horror movie was great, but the reality of what they're trying to portray of Antarctic life, for somebody who had just arrived back, and everybody was telling me how great this movie is, I didn't like it then, and I looked at it last night, and I can see exactly why I didn't like it. I still don't. It's 40 years later.